Okay, so good morning, teacher. Good morning, everyone. So this is my second presentation of PIP, and in this occasion, I'm going to talk about the Romans arrived in Britain. So this is the chapter one in early Britain, and so let's start with the the Romans arrived in Britain in 43 AD when Emperor Claudius sent his army to take control of the island. Before the Romans came, Britain was mostly rural, and people lived in small Celtic tribes. So they farmed, hunted, and followed their own traditions and religion led by druids. So there were no big stone cities, no advanced roads, and no single letter for the whole land. When the Romans took over, they introduced a completely new way of life. So they built strong roads, uh, stone buildings, stone bridges, and public bathhouses, which helped towns grow and become more organized. So one of their most famous constructions was the Hadrian's Wall, yeah, built to protect the Roman territory from northern tribes in Scotland. The Romans also brought new farming tools, coins for trade, and the Latin language. So Latin later influenced English, and especially in law, science, and religion. Because toward the end of Roman rule, Christianity spread and began to replace the old Celtic religion. So after almost 400 years in Britain, the Romans left in the 5th century because they uh, need soldiers to defend other parts of the empire. Their departure left Britain without a strong government or defenses, and which allowed new groups like the Angles and Saxons to invade and shape future British culture.